What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about my 5 must-have accessories for the DJI Pocket 3 and how they help elevate my experience with the device. The first accessory you're going to need right out of the box is an SD card. Now, the DJI Pocket 3 comes with 2 options. One is the basic option, and then the other is the creator combo, which gives you a couple of different accessories. But neither of those options give you the SD card or the micro SD card. So you're going to need that right out of the box to utilize the device. Now, I typically use the SANDISK brand. I use those in some of my other devices and they haven't failed me yet, so they work pretty well. You can pick those up at any of your retail stores like your Amazon, your Walmart, or your Target for a very reasonable price. Just a quick note. All of these accessories that I'm listing come in at just under $150 together. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below so that you can check them out. The next accessory is the BRDRC Pocket 3 base stand. Using a base stand like this gives you just a little bit of added peace of mind. The DJI is pretty delicate. It's lightweight and it's also easy to kind of tip over or drop. So having a stand like this really helps out. It doesn't take up a lot of space on your desk. You can actually utilize it to have your charging station right next to you. It has a charging port right on the back, so you don't have to take it out of the stand to actually charge your device. So it's just really compact, really easy to use. And shout out to the channel Nuclear64 for some of these recommendations. The next accessory that I use is the protective screen covering. Now this comes for 2 options. You can use this on your LCD screen or on your lens. Just keep in mind that if you're going to use it on your lens, you're not going to be able to use a filter at the same time. It's really hard for the magnet to connect to the screen with the filter on top of it, or the protective covering on top of it, I should say. The next accessory I'm actually utilizing to shoot this video is the ULANZI 59-inch tripod selfie stick. Just keep in mind, there are a lot of different options out there for selfie sticks, but this one actually gives me a little bit more flexibility for the things that I like to do. I actually like how it extends out to the 59 inches because then I can place the DJI on top of that and walk around and get some, kind of drone looking shots, which is really cool, I think, for what I'm getting out of this selfie stick. So again, there are a lot of different options, but I think you'll really like this one. It's lightweight, it's compact, and it comes in a really cool color. The last accessory is the ND filter kit. This kit comes with 4 different filters, and one of them is a CPL filter. Now, I wasn't so much sold on it at first, but then when I started to see the images and the footage out of the camera after using them, I was like, man, this is really great. So I'm really excited about continuing to use this and see how it's going to help my footage down the line. I'm kind of experimenting with it, but it comes in at just under $40, so it's a great value for the price. So feel free to check that link out in the description below. Let me know in the comments what accessories you use to help elevate your experience with the device. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some value out of the video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, peace.